Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class of Mount Literacy School. In today's session, I am going to discuss how to multiply the fractions. Now, multiplying a fraction by a whole number. In order to multiply a fraction, both factors must be in the form of fractions. The first rule says if you have to multiply a fraction with the whole number, both the factors must be in the form of fractions. Clear? So what you will do? Here you can see 8 by 9 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. To convert a whole number into a fraction, place it over 1. That means it will consider as 5 upon 1. Then we can multiply the fractions together. So 8 into 5, it will become 40, and 9 into 1 will become 9. Now this 40 by 9 is your improper fraction, and you know that when we have as an answer improper, compulsory to convert as mixed. Now how will you convert this as mixed? 40 divided by 9. 9 fours are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. So answer, what will you get? 4 and 4 by 9. Clear? One more example. If I say 3 multiply with 3 by 4. So this whole number you will represent as a fraction. So 3 upon 1 into 3 by 4. So numerator to numerator you will multiply. 3 into 3, 9, and 1 into 4, 4. So 9 by 4. Now this is improper fraction. How will you convert this mixed? 9 divided by 4. Now 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. This is your what? Remainder. Now how will you write? You know that. How will you write? 2 and 1 by 4. So 4 twos are 8 and 1, 9 by 4. So this will be your answer. Clear? Now next, mixed number. What is mixed number? A mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. Can you see? This is a whole part. The next, what we have? 3 upon 4. It means out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Can you see? 1 whole complete part and 3 by 4. This is mixed fraction, mixed number, 1 and 3 by 4. Clear? Now next, multiplying fraction with mixed number. Multiplying a fraction mixed number. Now 2 and 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 5. You know that this is your mixed number. Very first you have to convert as improper. Now 3 twos are 6 and 6 plus 2, 8. So here it will come 8 by 3. Now 8 by 3 into 3 by 5. This is very easy. How to multiply? I said to you that numerator multiplied with numerator. So 8 into 3 and 3 denominator multiplied with denominator. So 8 into 3, 24, and 3 5s are 15. Now this is also improper. Again you have to convert as mixed. Clear? Now multiplying of fractions. To multiply fraction involving mixed number, so what you will do, rewrite the mixed number as improper and then proceed as usual. What we did in the previous slides, the same will do. Here you can see two different examples. First example says how to multiply a mixed number with a simple fraction. Second, how to multiply when both the fractions are mixed. So 2 and 5 by 8 multiply 6 by 7. Very first, what you will do, this mixed number, this mixed fraction, you will convert as improper. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So 21 upon 8 multiplied 6 by 7. Now this is another method to cancel it. How you will cancel? 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Now this way you will cancel. 2 fours are 8 and 2 threes are 6. Now further, if cancellation is not possible, so numerator multiplied with numerator. So 3 threes are 9 and 4 into 1, 4 multiplied with 1, 4. So 9 by 4 or 2 and 1 by 4. Clear? Example 2, when the two fractions, mixed numbers are given, what you will do? Very first, you will convert the given fraction as a improper fraction. Then proceed as usual. So 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 2, 20 upon 3. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. Now cancellation, numerator to denominator, again here numerator to denominator. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Numerator to numerator, 10 into 3, it will come 30. Clear? Now this is one more example. Two mixed fractions. So 1 and 3 by 4 multiply 2 and 1 by 2. So here the step is given. 4 into 1, the whole number, plus the numerator. So 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So this way you got 7 by 4. Multiply 2 and 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 plus numerator. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So here when you solved this, you will get 7 upon 4. And here you will get 5 by 2. Now numerator to numerator, 7 multiplied with 5. So 7 fives are 35. 4 multiplied with 2. 4 twos are 8. So what you will get? 35 upon 8, and easily you can convert this as a mixed. Why? Because this is improper. 8 fours are 32. 35 minus 32, it will come 3. So in short the answer will come 4 and 3 upon 8. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.